Alright, this will be the recap for Monday, August 4th, 2025. So, looking at the pre-market, we had a nice dump at the end of last week, leaving behind some supply around 3650. We've got this key level here at 6240 that the market was bouncing off of overnight. Or I guess I should say on Friday and then overnight. And price had rallied off of that level. So we were opening kind of chopping around this previous key level at the 6300s, and my main watch was how we reacted here. If we were able to push up, continue up, and break above this 6325 level, which was previous key higher time frame support turned resistance right there. Right there. If we could hold this level, claim above that, and show strength retest, I'd like to see a move into this supply, kind of continuing upward. And then I was looking, if we did reject this 6300 at open and could sell off below this 6280, I would be willing, that's that 6280 right here, I would be willing to look for this move down retesting that 6240 support. So, market opens up very strong. Just pretty much a straight shot from 6300 to 6325 with one minor pullback, and I was not interested in this at all. I wasn't even watching it for an entry, simply waiting for this level to be tested. We did get that nice break of 6300, or sorry, 6325, and then this is where the real patience comes in. Started getting antsy for an entry on this pullback, but I wanted to wait till we at least tested down to this lower wick, and we actually did get all the way back to the key level. And yeah, we got our entry on this candle, 952, and we rode that all the way up for another leg. But looking at the confirmation, so first thing we want to see is we want to see strength above this level, and then on this pullback we want to see aggression. So we go to this time in sales. This level breaks around 945. You can see all that buying coming in on the break. And then as we come down the retest, pretty much from 948 to 951, I got into 952 on this buying that came in. But pretty much this whole area, lots of aggressive selling coming in, pulling us back to our level, which is good. We want to see that aggressive selling as long as it can get defended, which it did. So you can see that that's where that aggression's coming in. Kind of started to slow down a little bit, and then got like one more push where we see it get defended. And then when this got defended right here above the bid, and this buying came in right here at 952, which you can also see right here. That's when I got my entry long at, let's see, 27.75. Right in here, and we rode that up, broke high of day, retested, and then got that nice push up where I ended up scaling out most of my position. So we'll look at this entry. Wow. All right, that was just bugging out so bad, but fixed it. So here's the entry. 27.75. First scale out is right here at 2R. Then I just kind of get out a little bit more above 2R, pushing into my next target. This was hit at my next target. And then trailing stop loss. Made about 8.38 points on that for 3.75 points of risk. It's 2.23R. That's something I really need to get better at, is not scaling early. I do a lot of risk reduction when I see red flags, and I'm working on really limiting it to when it's a true red flag, and being more, I'm trying to be more open to just letting my trades run, because what I've been doing the past few months is basically just cutting a lot of my profit short. That's the simplest way to put it. But this was a good trade. Did not scale until 2R, and got a nice little push off of that. So yeah, that's it for today. See you tomorrow.